I once had to look a man in the eyes and tell him today was his last day. He just bought a house 2 months earlier. He sat there, frozen, said nothing for what felt like forever. I've done this dozens of times as an HR director, and every single time it taught me the same brutal lesson. Your job can disappear tomorrow. The company doesn't care about your mortgage. Your boss doesn't lose sleep over your bills. So here's what I stopped doing with money. And honestly, these mistakes are so common, most people won't realize they're making them until it's too late. The first one nearly broke me. I trusted one paycheck, one company, one source of income. When you do that, you're basically handing someone else the keys to your future, and they can take them back whenever they want. There's a reason 65% of self-made millionaires have 3 or more income streams, not because they're greedy, because they've learned the hard way that jobs end, industries collapse. And having one backup isn't paranoia, it's survival.
Now here's something weird. I used to hate taxes, like genuinely resent them, until I realized something that changed how I saw the whole game. Taxes aren't punishment. They're a cheat code. The government literally tells you what it wants you to do and gives you money back when you do it. Start a business? Deductions. Invest in property? Write-offs. Contribute to retirement? Tax-deferred growth. The tax code isn't a trap. It's an instruction manual. You just have to read it. But none of that matters if you're making this next mistake. And I swear almost everyone I know does this. They wake up, grab their phone, and start scrolling. Netflix, TikTok, Instagram. And by the time they finally sit down to work, their best energy is already gone. Rich people flip the order. They create first, then consume. They write the book before reading one. They build the business before binging the show. Your morning energy is gold. Stop giving it away for free. And while we're talking about things people avoid, let's talk about money conversations. Most people treat their finances like a secret, like it's shameful to admit they don't have it figured out. But here's the thing, you can't learn what you don't discuss. The wealthiest people I know talk about money constantly. Not to brag, to exchange ideas, to learn from mistakes. One honest conversation can shift your entire strategy. Last thing, and this one stings a little. You could make $200,000 a year and still be broke. I've seen it. People earning insane money, living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because they focus on income, not net worth. It's not about what comes in, it's about what stays, grows, works for you while you sleep. So next time you're about to upgrade your phone or trade in your car, ask yourself, is this adding to my net worth or subtracting from it? That question alone can change everything.